A data structure, informally or in a very naive sense, is basically a collection of a lot of basic data types that contains data. One structure contains a lot of data. And we can define sometimes several methods and several specialized kind of functions are customized and defined just because of that data structure to perform efficiently. Different kind of, for different kind of tasks, we may have to define or we may have to choose different kind of data structures. The basic data structures that are available in Python is a list, tuple, set, and dictionary. These are the basic data structures that are available. We can create our own data structures if we want to, but most of the problems, mostly they are solved by these four basic data structures. Although a lot of these are not that efficient, there are efficient ways for customized kind of problems. We will see that efficiency when we will deal with the package NumPy that is faster than all of these. But we will see what kind of constraints are there to make it faster. Anyways, data set in a very loose term is collection. It is collection of a lot of values, a lot of data inside. And all these data structures, list, tuple, set, and dictionary, they are a collection of data of heterogeneous types, which means one value can be integer, another element, let me call it an element, another element or item. Another item or element can be of string type, another element can be of, let's say, floating point number, another element is a whole list itself, another element is a tuple, and so on. So different elements can be of different types. And that makes this heterogeneity, that makes these four data structures much more applicable and much more abstract, and they can be applied to almost all the problems. So let's see one by one and let's compare them together, because the best way to understand four of these is just to compare them, which can do what as compared to the rest. So let's compare them and learn how can we use those in detail. So list, first is list. List is ordered. Ordered here means it is indexable, which means there is the element number one is at position one element. There is an ordering of elements, first element, second, third, 25th element. There is an ordering of element with respect to their position. So that's what we mean by ordered. Changeable, or sometimes called more reasonable term or more usable term, is mutable. Mutable means once the list is created, as contrast to string, once the list is created, you can change its elements. For example, you can change the third element with another element, and that's perfectly fine. You can change it. That's what we mean by changeable, or more popularly called as mutable. Duplicates means the list can contain more than one element more than, at the position number 3, you can have the same item, and position number 5, you can have the same item, so the duplicates are allowed. Tuple, however, although ordered, there is an ordering of elements. There are indices of different elements. This is immutable. You can, once tuple is created, like strings, once the tuple is created, you cannot change different elements in the tuple. You have to create a new tuple if you want to, but you cannot change the items in the tuple, and the duplicates are allowed again. Set, on the other hand, is unordered, which means there is no indexing, there is no positioning, there is no first element, there is no third element, there is no fifth element. That's a collection without actually indexing. Because you cannot access a particular element with index, you cannot change it. But what you can do is you can insert more elements and you can remove existing elements if you want to. Again, the set, like in mathematics, sets does not contain any duplicates. So one item appears just once. We will see the examples. Dictionary, a very, very, very powerful data structure. Again, dictionary is just like a set. It's a set. It is unordered. Again, changeable. You can change them. You can change the items. And the dictionary, and it does not have duplicates because it's basically a set. It is just like a set. The power of dictionary is each item consists of a pair, and one value in the pair is called key, and another is called the value. For example, val is key for 12, name is key for ban, and so on. So we have seen this dictionary before in loops and stuff in just a very loose way, but that's really a very, very powerful data structure. And later on, we will see in pandas, basically, all the data is basically managed just like a dictionary. If you have a good knowledge of dictionary, you'll be having a very good grip very quickly on a big data science library or big data science package, which is called pandas, because each and everything in pandas is handled just like we are handling a dictionary. So it's a really powerful data structure to know about. So list is mutable, dictionary is mutable, set is mutable in a sense that you can insert and remove elements. Tuple is not mutable, and that's the comparison theoretically. What is there? All these types, each and every of them is a collection of different values, and the values can have different types. That's the abstract power of all these data structures. So in the next video, we will actually try to get a good grip on list, tuple, set, and dictionary, and we will actually define them, code them, access different methods of those, and we will be trying to become comfortable with these data structures by coding them in Python. So hope to see you in the next video.